Guys, so I am back with another video, and this is my first how-to video to do. And I started on this video earlier, but I had to get my grandma because my tripod did not want to cooperate, and so she's holding the camera. So I'm going to start over with this. So basically I'm doing something that was more popular when I was really young, and it's called a fortune teller, and I think that they're really cool. But just it's something fun to make. A lot of people don't know how to make them. So basically all you're going to need, it's fine, all you're going to need is a sheet of paper, a pencil, marker or crayon, and a pair of scissors. So basically now you can bend it down. Can you see the paper and everything?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this is my setup. I have my pencil, my paper, and my scissors, and all I'm going to do is look back up at me. Is I'm going to meet this one. So it's going to come over and it's going to fold and meet the edges so that it's gonna be like a paper airplane, just not all the way down. So there's gonna be a flap that's left, and that part you're going to cut off. So you're gonna want to take that off. And then any excess pieces of paper that are off the edge, you want it to be perfect. You want the corners to meet perfect. You want there to be no paper that comes off the side. So then you're going to want to trim that down and make it perfect. Okay, so then we have a square. So when you open it, it's going to want to look like this. And you're not going to need those pieces of paper. So you're going to put those off to the side, and you're going to take this corner and meet it with the flap. Put it down. Can you see my paper?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I'm going to make the corner meet the slit where it was the fold line. And then I'm going to make that so there's a fold there. So you're going to want to make it flat. So then you're going to want to do the exact same thing on the other side. And then you're going to want to do the same thing with these pieces here. So it's gonna look like an open envelope that's like a broken envelope. So then you're going to do that last fold. And any places where the paper is overlapping, you don't want that. So if that happens, then all you're gonna have to do is find where it starts and trim along the side to the edge and to the corner. So if you can tell, they're not overlapping at all. Okay, and then you're going to flip it over while the flaps are still together, and you're going to want to do the same thing here as you did at the very beginning when you folded the corners to match. But you're not going to do any cutting, but you're going to do that with every side. So it's going to look like that. Then it's going to look like that. Then it's going to look like that. And then fold that in there. So it looks like that. Then you're going to flip it like this and make it have a fold line like this. Then you're going to open it up and you're going to write on these squares, like for instance, I might write I'm going to write orange on one of them. On the other one, I'm going to write blue. On the next one, I'm going to write purple. And on the next one, I'm going to write red. So you have all your colors. And then on the other side, you're going to want to write a number on each one. So I might do 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Okay, so I did that, and then, so hold on just one second, I gotta make sure that this is gonna work. Because my last one that I made, it didn't want to change and pull together. So it might have trouble coming together at first, but once you have it to where it needs to be, it won't be. So then basically I have my numbers. Okay, and then on the inside, so then you're gonna fold it out, and on the inside of each one of those, on the opposite, okay, so on one side of the fold line, you're gonna write a fortune. So like, drop my pencil. I might write, you will have a dream about cats. Then I'm going to do something like an opposite on the opposite side of the fold line. So that's on one, you're going to have, you will have a dream about cats. So then on 3, it's going to have something opposite or something just totally different. So like now I might write, you will have a dream about dogs. So I have, you might have a dream about cats, or you will have a dream about dogs. Okay, and then I'm going to fold that back in. Then I'm going to grab another side where it's blank. And on this side, I might say, you will wake up early tomorrow. You will wake up early tomorrow. And then I might say, you will wake up late tomorrow. Okay, and then you're gonna fold that back in, grab another side, and I'm just going to go ahead and fill these in. Oh, and then I will tell you what they are. So on this one, I wrote, you will want water, and your alarm will not go off tomorrow. Will not go off. So now I'm going to open my last fold. And write, it will I might write, it will get dark early and it will get dark late. So now I'm going to fold this back to the color side. Stick your fingers in the holes that it provides. Like I said, it's going to be a pain in the butt to get them out, depending on if you did it carefully. Like, I didn't do it as carefully as I should have, so it's not going to be the best, and it's not going to be that easy. But, for instance, Grandma, orange, red, purple, or blue?
Blue.
B-L-U-E. Okay, so I spelt out blue, and then the numbers that I have on the inside, I'm going to say there's 13, 15, 5, and 7.
15.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, 1, 11, 9, or 3?
3.
Okay, so now I'm going to open the 3. You will have a dream about dogs.
Good.
So, I'm going to do that one more time, slowly, to show you how you use it. Because if you don't know how to make one, you probably don't know how to use one, because that's how I was before I knew how to make one. So, red, purple, blue, or orange?
Orange.
O. How do you spell orange?
R.
Okay, I just want to make sure I spelled it right. O-R-A-N-G-E. 1, 3, 9, or 11?
3.
1, 2, 3. 7, 13, 5, or 15?
7.
Your alarm will not go off.
Mm.
So basically, all you have to do is spell out the letter, or the number, or the word, or whatever word you do, and it's going to be O-R-A-N-G-E. Pick a number. Okay, so there's a 5, a 7, a 13, and a 15. So I'm going to say 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 3, 9, or 11. I might pick 11. So I'm going to pull that one up, and it's going to go straight back in when you're done. It will get dark late. So if yours is a pain in the butt when you unfold it, then I would leave it like this when you're not using it, because that'll make it easier. And the way that you move it, you just move your fingers back and forth like this inside of it. So it's not that hard to use. It's really fun to use. And at school, I made one, and everybody was asking me to make them one. So if you like this video, like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you did make one and if you thought that this was helpful. And bye. So press the... Sorry, she doesn't know what to use. So just...